My favorite. Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today, we're going right back down Avocado Lane and making delicious avocado truffles. They're gonna be super quick, super easy, and super tasty. Can't wait. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now let's go ahead and dive right into making some delicious avocado truffles. So our first step is to take a large mixing bowl, peel and pit our avocados, throw them in, and we're gonna mash them up nice and good until everything's really smooth with our hand mixer on a medium-low speed. Next, we're gonna take 10 ounces of dark chocolate, throw it into a heat-proof bowl, toss that in the microwave, and let it melt down. I like to do 30-second burst, give it a little mix, 30 seconds, give it a little mix, till it's nice and creamy and pretty much nice and smooth like this delicious avocado. Once your dark chocolate is nice and melty, we want to go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, a half teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And we're going to follow that by adding in dark chocolate. Now with our hand mixer on a medium-low speed, let's go ahead and blend all these ingredients together until our avocado, until our avocado mixture is nice and creamy and smooth, like perfectly velvety smooth. And with our avocado truffle mixture, nice and smooth and creamy, let's go ahead, place it in the refrigerator and let chill for a good hour, hour and a half. Now that our avocado truffle mixture has chilled out for an hour, hour and a half, we're gonna go ahead, take our cookie scoop and start scooping out our nice little truffle balls. And then roll each scoop into a nice ball with your hands. Now our next and final step is to roll each of our truffles into our coatings and our toppings. They're gonna be so good. Take these avocado truffles to the next level. I'm a dork, I know. As for the coatings and the toppings, whatever you wanna add or roll your avocado truffles in, you go ahead and do that, because I'm sure whatever you pick, they're gonna be so good and just as delicious. So let's go ahead and start by rolling some of our truffles into some chopped white chocolate. A little bit of mint chocolate. And then some tasty shredded coconut. Crushed, delicious walnuts. Crushed Reese's Pieces. My favorite. And once all your truffles are rolled into your delicious coatings, you will be ready to devour pretty much one of the best no-bake recipes you're gonna have in your repertoire. Repertoire? Right? That makes sense. It made sense in my head. But anyway, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below and that little bell. And if you get to make and try these delicious dark chocolate avocado truffles, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. You know, let me see what you're doing in your kitchen. Give me a little peek. I need more coffee. But until next week, bye.